How's it going, guys? I have another mount here. I've done a couple of different mount reviews recently just because I know a lot of people never know what to get, different options, and also reached out to me and like the video review that I did of another similar product. They said that they had improved on it from another company and added a few extra things, so they wanted to see if I can check it out. So I go ahead and got this review here. I'm not gonna go ahead and take it out in the car because I've taken out my other mounts in the car and showed them. I'm gonna probably use this on my desk just to hold my phone up next to me when I'm browsing through Twitter, anything like that. So I'll go ahead and show you. The packaging came up a little beat up from the mailman. It came from the UK, so that's a little bit disappointing that the mail treats things like that, but what can you expect? They're going through budget cuts and blah blah blah, so it was not OSO's fault. The product itself still came in good condition, and I took these stickers off and then tried to put them back on, and now I can't take them off again. Here, let's beast mode this thing. I'll go ahead and open it. And what we get inside here is going to be the mount itself and then the little pad. I have another from my previous mounts. I have one of these pads already on my desk off to the side that I 3M'd like so, and then everything sticks to it. But you don't need this. This is more for dash mounts. For your dash, if it has like that porous material and it doesn't stick well to it, the 3M will adhere to that, and then once you put this on itself like this, it'll hold it. So that's what that's for. But you don't need to use that for your actual mount because it'll still stick without it. The main difference between this mount and the one that I reviewed previously, this has a full 360 degree arm, so if it full rotation, and then it goes from the front to the back 180 degrees all the way, so you don't have to worry about something getting in the way or anything like that. The other mount that I did the review on, not the Mount Tech, what was the company? I don't remember the company, but this was probably 2-3 months ago, and it didn't have the arm that pivots all the way forward and back, and then this rotates full 360, so when you're moving it around, it doesn't get in the way of your other things. And this little sticky pad down here, as you can see, has the sticky material that'll attach to your desk, to your dash, anything like that. And then you push this little thing down here, and then it suctions it. I don't want to suction it onto this because it's going to remove this little plastic thing. Like I said, I'm mainly using it for my desk standing like this, so I don't want it to attach too much just because if I'm moving it around, anything like that, and get it on. And this little knob here will lock it in place so it doesn't move up and down. If you want to loosen it, one twist, and then it has that little clicking motion. If you're going to go up, down, hold it, and then tighten it, and then it doesn't move. And then if you want to loosen the knob here itself to rotate, you don't have to take this all the way off. I just twisted it too far and it went off. But if you go ahead and just tighten it up like so, you can move it around and then you can fully tighten it once you're done, and then you don't have to worry about it. So that's what that's used for. And the more if you loosen it all the way like this, it's easier to maneuver. If you can see, all the way 360 degrees on its axis. And then if you need to put up your phone, like say you have the Nexus 6 set up, I think the case was messing with it, but the arms here, this is not, see how it expands, goes all the way out. Some people say that it's easier with one hand. I don't think it's a one-handed mount just because it does require a little force, but you can make it one hand if you're just forcing it out. But like I said, see, I had to use both hands to move that around, get it in place, and then you have access to your volume down, volume up, power. But it's still, it's not the mount's fault. It's more of how Motorola made it, that it's either you're going to have it too high up or not high enough just because of how it's set up. And then if you loosen this a little, move it, rotate it, go ahead and tighten that back up, tighten this up here, and then you don't want your phone that way. There you go. And it's going to hold it up. So it works. It fell over because, like I said, I don't have this. So it's not a bad mount or anything. It's just because how top heavy it is, a device, and it's not holding anything. If I go ahead and show you with another device, let's go ahead and take this out. See, this one would be a lot easier to one-hand it just because it's smaller. And there it sits. So it's another mount solution that you guys can use. It just has bigger rotating, full 360 degrees for the head itself, and then 180 degrees for the pivoting motion if you're gonna pivot it down, pivot it up, or if you have it on your window like so, and then you need to move this down, you can hold it up like this, and it works. So thanks again, OSO, for sending this out. It's another good product. Okay, I am going to use this on my desk, check it out a little bit longer, see how much, if I like it better than the other ones. Overall, build quality was nice, really good, simple mount. If you liked the video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. If you didn't like it, give it a thumbs down. If you're undecided, you don't care about the video, just don't watch it. Or share it, and then tell me why you didn't like about it. Anyway, please consider subscribing up at the top or down below. I'll link a video in the description to my other mount review similar to this. And until next time, guys, peace out.